Welcome back, Fresh Home Studio. A timeless villa design inspired by nature. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature with this tropical villa design, featuring open-air spaces, lush greenery, and organic materials. This retreat seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. Experience the ultimate in relaxation and serenity surrounded by the sights and sounds of the natural world. Elevate your lifestyle with this modern villa design. Clean lines, minimalist decor, and state-of-the-art amenities define this chic retreat. From the sleek architecture to the luxurious interiors, every detail is designed to create a space that is both stylish and functional. Dive into a paradise of refreshment and relaxation with the tropical haven pool. Surrounded by lush greenery and swaying trees, this oasis beckons with crystal clear waters and a tranquil ambience. Experience the perfect harmony of modern luxury and natural beauty with this contemporary villa adorned with stone accents. Earthy hues, minimalist furnishings, and meticulously selected greenery converge to craft a space that invites tranquility and relaxation. Envision yourself immersing in meditation amidst the serene garden courtyard. Experience a sanctuary where the essence of Zen philosophy seamlessly blends with modern comfort, offering a haven of peace amid life's hustle and bustle. Step back in time with this mid-century modern villa interior. Clean lines, iconic furniture, and vintage accents create a space that pays homage to the glamour of the 1950s and 60 seconds. Experience the perfect harmony of modern luxury and natural beauty with this contemporary villa adorned with stone accents. The villa's sleek lines and minimalist design are complemented by the timeless elegance of stone. a stone-clad courtyard or hosting lavish gatherings in the chic living spaces. Featuring whitewashed walls, terracotta accents, and panoramic sea views, this residence captures the essence of coastal living. Relax on the sun-drenched terrace or take a dip in the azure waters of the infinity pool. Paradise awaits. Picture yourself curling up with a soft blanket and a good book, surrounded by the rustic beauty of the countryside. Picture yourself lounging on plush furnishings by the crackling fire or enjoying a cup of cocoa in the warmth of the sunlit conservatory. With its blend of luxurious comfort and practical warmth, this interior ensures that your home remains a haven of relaxation and tranquility even when the snow falls outside. Step into a rustic retreat where every detail exudes cozy charm and timeless appeal. From exposed wooden beams to rough-hewn stone accents, the rustic interior transports you to a simpler time, enveloping you in warmth and comfort. The crackling fireplace becomes the heart of the home, casting a soft glow over the inviting furnishings. As you bask in the quiet beauty of your simple yet elegant sanctuary, with its timeless appeal and effortless charm, this interior proves that true luxury lies in the art of simplicity. This family room provides a seamless fusion of indoor comfort and outdoor bliss, making it the perfect retreat for moments of togetherness and solitude alike. In every aspect, this modern house design epitomizes contemporary chic, offering a timeless aesthetic appeal that is sure to impress for years to come. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.